Hi designers, this is a video on how to set up your IB Metals ePortfolio. So all of these top links are for new pages. You should have your home page with things that interest you. That was already a couple of classes ago. So now you are making a new page for your IB Metals. So the first thing you should do is you go to Pages, and you're going to click New Page. This will be IB Metals. So this is your title. And now you want to have a new bar that is going to have your inquiring and analyzing. So you can either do a text box, or you could do insert and have like a new section, like a divider, okay? Or you can just have a large text box here. Let me give it a style. So I'm going to call this one Inquiring and Analyzing. We're going to make this a larger text. I'm going to center it, and all these things you can kind of change your design as long as it has the information. That's fine. And then what you should have is your 3 Tinkercad tutorials. So you can either go to Drive on the side here and search Tinkercad tutorials. And I've got a lot of Tinkercad, but you should literally just have 3 of them. So this one is Tinkercad number 1, insert, and it's okay if it doesn't have the whole page there. Once you share it with me, there will be a scroll bar, and I'll be able to see the whole page. So it is going to cut off your page. Don't freak out. So that's 1 Tinkercad. This is Tinkercad tutorial number 2. So you just double click it. Now it's not going to ask you guys to share, but you double click. Another way that you can add them in is if you double click on the blank space, you can hit the drive symbol there. And then this will pop up. And let's say I want Tinkercad tutorial number 3. So this is number 3. I can add that one in. Now I should have all 3 Tinkercad tutorials. The next thing that you should have is Olympic medals. Okay, so that PowerPoint that we worked on. So the Inquire and Analyze Olympic medals. You are going to add that in. And you can change the size and shape and all of that. That is all you need for inquiring and analyzing, okay? The next section is going to be our developing ideas. This section is going to include everything from your sketchbook. So what you're going to do is you are going to use your Chromebook, and you are going to take photographs of the following items. Your first page of notes. I'm just going to type this here so you can see it. Notes page. Your brainstorming web. Your 3 sketches. Your feedback. And your final design sketch. Okay, so those are all going to be those are all going to be from your sketchbook. Those are going to be photos that you are going to insert. How you would insert them is once you have them on your Chromebook and you have those photographs there, you click this green upload, and that will take you to images. You might have to go to pictures or downloads. It will look different on yours, but that's how you're going to add your pictures in. Your next section, okay, is going to be creating the solution. and that is going to be your IB medal. So you are actually going to go into Tinkercad and take a screenshot of your medal. Now, for you guys, you may also be able to add the link that I could see your whole design, but I'm not sure. So I'm asking for a screenshot, but if you find a way to like link it where I can view the whole thing, that's cool too. So I'm gonna go into my IB medal final design, and then I would go to my design, and maybe I can copy the link, but really I just need a screenshot. So I don't have a medal because I was doing the example, but let's say I had something like this. That was my screenshot. I'm going to do my print screen here, and then go back to my ePortfolio, Control V. So I took a screenshot, then Control V, and that's there. Okay. Then the final section is our evaluation. Okay, so you are going to have an evaluation on the following class once we get to do our voting. So you're going to do your voting, and then you're going to do your evaluation. But I'm just showing you here that's going to be your last section. Okay, and your evaluation is going to look something like this. And that will have your evaluation in here. So you'll have all 4 sections, and that is what you're going to be graded on.